try saying that quickly first before you order so you don't say words like I just did. I'm so sorry. Okay, so if you've been loving my pants, they're from Quacker Factory, and so is what we have coming up next. This is something, if you love Quacker, then you know that they used to do a lot of this glass bead work, and they don't do as much anymore. So this is one of those pieces that if you love Quacker, you may want to get this if you don't already have it as a collectible piece. It's called the Forget-Me-Not Beaded Bateau long sleeve top. A677-831 is your item number, and it's on clearance at $39.99. Comes in sizes extra, extra small through 5X, and we have 3 great colors to choose from. So this is the color that we're calling pink. Then we have the dark navy, and we also have it in the grass green, which is just such a vibrant color. A667-837, you're saving 25%. Clearance means no reorder, so this isn't one we're going to be getting back in. So it is a case of deciding which color that you love and then just coming in and choosing it. Actually, we've got the model there. She's wearing the pink, so I'm going to bring this one up front because I feel like this is more like a true forget-me-not flower. And maybe this is something that you want to get in remembrance of somebody. Forget-me-nots, they sort of symbolize love and respect, but they also symbolize fidelity and faithfulness. So a lot of people kind of associate forget-me-nots with their pets or pets who've passed on. And it's just a great way to be able to remember them. Let's talk about fabric. So this is a slub knit. So even though you've got this gorgeous beadwork, the knit on this is a year-round fabric. It's 56% cotton, 38% rayon, and then 6% span. So you get this easy, breathable, almost like having your own air conditioning fabric that is light, it's fluid, it's going to have great movement. And despite this beadwork, like, let me show you. So this is the other side. There's nothing really itchy, scratchy against your skin, and we'll show you that in a minute. But this is one that you can just machine wash and tumble dry. You don't need to give this any special treatment. I would definitely, if it was me, I would machine wash it inside out, and then I'd probably lay it flat to dry. But this, it does say you can tumble dry it, and let me just show you. So this is what's happening on the inside. So if you do have sensitive skin, all you're feeling is just that embroidery against your skin. There's nothing really scratchy or itchy. A very feminine neckline, as well as a full-length sleeve. So you've got a lot of great coverage. And if you're somebody, you know, not everybody jumps into a tank or a t-shirt when summer comes around, but this can be one of those pieces that you can absolutely wear now. And then as the weather gets warmer, because you've got that slub knit, that you're still going to be cool and be able to get that benefit of wearing something that is more than half cotton, as well as that gorgeous rayon, which gives it that silky hand that we know and love because rayon is a natural fiber. So we're looking at Angela right now. She's in the grass green. She is 5'9", and this is such a fun top. She's wearing the extra large, and this is what Quacker do so well. And if you know, you know, it's the placement of things. So recognizing, and we saw it on Angela, that maybe we don't want something right across here. We kind of want something, it's almost like a garland of flowers that's just placed just under the neckline. So it's appropriate, it's just in the right place, and it's kind of almost drawing the eye line up to the decoration and up to your face. A667-837, that's your item number. This is the dark navy, and just look at that detail. I mean, really, when you think about the price that you're looking at, and the fact that you have this incredible glass beadwork for $39.99. There's a reason why this was a $57 top, but you're still getting that $57 quality. And something that, if you don't have the time, the energy, or the dexterity to wear jewelry anymore, you don't need to. You can still shine and sparkle every time you put this on and have those gorgeous forget-me-nots do the talking. So this is the dark navy. We also have the pink. So the pink is pretty, and you'll notice the beads are a slightly different colorway. So you have almost like more like a daisy, because they're yellow in the center and white on the outside, and just beautiful contrast against that pink. And then this is what we saw Angela wearing, that grass green. So if you're a green girl, if green is your color, this is so vibrant. It's like a true kind of lime. just rich and joyful, just kind of, you know, when it's been winter and then suddenly nature just bursts and everything looks bright green. This is that color. So if you're a nature lover or somebody who's kind of missing that green of nature, this could be a great color for you. Extra, extra small through 5X, you're saving $17 off that QVC price to get it home on 5 Easy Pay of $8, but keep in mind that 5 Easy Pay goes away at the end of today. So give us a call to order yours, 800-500-7590, and then just choose your color or colors, because I mean, I don't know about you, I feel like that's part of the age of possibility, is you get to a point at which you know what you like, so when you see something you like, it absolutely makes sense to pick up on more than one. Now, here's where we're going next.